Let us discuss now custom n8n enterprise data pipelines. Here is a comprehensive production-ready long-form YouTube video script designed to target enterprise buyers, chief technology officers, and directors of revenue operations, CTO, enterprise architects, rave ops leaders, and AI engineers looking to move basic automation. Their primary conversion goal is drive book consultation call for customer enterprise architectural contracts at StackOry. Most scaling enterprises treat data integration as an afterthought. When new software tool is adopted by the sales team or when making introduces new lead acquisition platform, someone build a basic connection. They hop into tools like Zapier, connect to API, map a few fields, and consider jobs done. But as per your organization scale, this approach creates a massive web of technical debt. Linear rule-based automation platform breakdown when exposed to the enterprise-level data volume. They lack they lack advanced error handling mechanism. They don't support robust state management and running the hundreds of thousands of monthly tasks on hosted platforms result in unpredictable, skyrocketing cloud bills. More importantly, traditional middleware cannot handle non-linear requirement of modern AI systems, like embedding vectors into databases or managing self-correcting multi-agent verification loops. If you are running mid-market or enterprise organization, you don't need basic automations. You need a custom data pipeline. In this video, we are breaking on how to architect enterprise-grade data pipeline natively using n8n. We will cover self-hosted scaling strategies, building resilient error handling loops, managing advanced data formatting, and integrating autonomous agents to handle unstructured business data at a scale. Let us step up to the architecture abroad. Type 2. Enterprise infrastructure. Self-hosting versus cloud. When deploying n8n for enterprise infrastructure, the very first decision you must make is where environment lives. After n8 offers managed cloud service, enterprise organization handling sensitive data such as priority financial records, legal documentation, or strict PII should look at the self-hosting. By deploying n8n inside your own secure virtual private cloud on AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure, you maintain complete ownership over your data transit layers. Here is the foundational blueprint for production-ready enterprise instance: the orchestration layer. n8n deployed via Docker Compose or managed Kubernetes K8 clusters for automated horizontal scaling during high traffic bursts. The state and execution database. Dedicated externalized PostgreSQL instance. Never use default SQLite database for production environment. It will lock up and crash under a continuous multi-threaded execution. The queue broker, Redis. When processing tens of thousands of concurrent webhooks, Redis acts as your execution queue, offloading pressure from primary server instance and ensuring no data payloads are dropped. By self-hosting, you eliminate third-party data processing liabilities and bypass restrictive task tier pricing structure of standard cloud automation services, dropping your ongoing operational costs to pure compute fees. Act 3. Designing for resilience, error handling, and fleet management. Now let us look at the actual pipeline design pattern. The primary difference between a mature workflow and enterprise pipeline is the fault tolerance. If third-party API like Salesforce or legacy ERP endpoint goes down for 30 seconds, the standard automation fails completely, leaving your data fragmented. Enterprise pipeline, however, must be engineered to anticipate the failure. Let us look at how we build this directly on n8n canvas. The visuals. A close-up on specific n8n code setting, demonstrating HTTP request configuration. Plain text. Incoming payload webhook. Execute main HTTP request. On error, trigger advanced retry sub-workflow. Success. Continue data pipeline. Analyze error code via LLM. Execute exponential backoff. When HTTP request node encounters a downstream network timeout, we don't let window crash. Instead, we toggle the node setting to the continue on fail. We then route the output into conditional router that isolates the error code. But if it's temporary rate limit or network glitch, execution payload passes to the internal exponential backup loops. The pipeline automatically pauses. Wait 2 minutes, attempt this execution again, and step up the delay time progressively if the error persists. The error remains unexecuted after 5 attempts. Payload is parsed by internal error incident sub-workflow. This stringifys execution state, saves the raw JSON to persistent fallback database, and fires structured alert payload directly to your RevOps team via Slack or Microsoft Teams with a single click manual rerun click. Your pipeline remains stable, your core data is never lost, and your team maintains absolute visibility over your operational continuity. Act 4. Advanced formatting and structural JSON transformation. The next core pillar is a complete data transformation. In an enterprise environment, systems rarely speak same language. Your front-end lead generation forms output one structure. Your financial processing tools require another, and your relational database structure demand strictly structured array. When n8n provides visual edit field node for basic remapping, advanced transformations require leveraging code node running native JavaScript or TypeScript. Let us walk through real-world enterprise example. Handling multi-layer data structure. When payload contains nested objects or variable arrays such as order receipt in the multiple line items, passing that raw string to database creates a structural errors. By inserting code node, you can write a clean deterministic script to flatten the objects, normalize phone numbers through global formatting protocols, sanitize text field entries, and map the variable dynamically based on the conditional business rules. Because n8n executes this script natively within your compute container, processing thousands of complex array takes a millisecond, delivering high structured data directly to the storage architecture like Snowflake or BigQuery. Act 5. Agentic layer. Processing unstructured data. Finally, let us explore most valuable upgrade available to modern enterprise pipelines. The processing layer. Historically, data pipelines could only process structured input like names, email addresses, and integers. The client sends unstructured free-form email or complex PDF contract attachment, human asset, and to read it, manually type the detail into internal database. With n8n native advanced AI nodes, you can build autonomous judgment directly into your pipeline infrastructure. Visual flowchart outlining agentic processing pipeline model. Step 1. Input detection. Document parsing. An incoming payload drops raw PDF agreement or discovery call transcript note directly into your workflow loop. Step 2. Structural extraction. Vector store retrieval. n8n agent node routes the text to the LLM, paired with a custom prompt framework that strips away conversational fluff and isolates the crucial operational matrix. Step 3. Verifications and output injection. Enterprise tools execution. The system uses attached tools to cross-reference extracted values with your database parameters, validating accuracy before parsing finalized a clean data array to your downstream platform. You are no longer just moving data across software tools. You are embedding autonomous analytical intelligence into your business operations. Act 6. Strategic flows and call to action. Building, deploying, and maintaining this level of data infrastructure is that separate the scaling organization from those buried under constant operational bottlenecks and technical debt. When your data pipelines are custom built, resilient, and intelligent, your system communicate seamlessly, your analytical data remains accurate, and your team can focus entirely on high leverage business objectives. If you want to skip the trial and error phase of engineering this system from scratch, our team at StackOry can help. We work directly with the mid-market and enterprise organizations to custom architect, deploy and scale resilient data infrastructure, n8n multi-agent system, and automated operations pipeline tailored directly to your unique corporate architecture. Go to StackOry.com or click the first link down in the video description to book the 15 minutes data architecture review session directly with our technical team. We'll analyze user content, software state, locate your structured data bottleneck, and map out clean deployment roadmap for your team. If you want to dive deeper into technical mechanics of building advanced n8n workflow, make sure to check out our complete step-by-step Canvas tutorial playlist right here. Hit that subscribe button, drop any architecture configuration question you have, take down in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next system build.